don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 170,000 subs. Welcome to Amabenzo TV. It's the Nedbank Cup. Orlando Pirates for Jakuma 1. I'm joined by Usfiso.
Enjayami uyabona mina namhlanje akukho kuningi engizokusho yabo. The only thing I want to talk about igoal la kaMbuthu. Ayi mfana, that's a silent killer. Uyabona abantu bebaqala baphuma e-stadium. uMbuthu washaya enye into mfethu. Yo. Kwathule umbula hayi hey mfana umbula washaya enye into
Umbasa yena
hey mfethu hayi kambasa emancane mfethu hey kambula hayi mfethu yakambula last call mfethu last call master chef yabona the reason why I want to speak about that call Naba uyapheka Lalela. The reason why I want to speak about that goal. This team, it released our star player. But he's useless. But we say Megafeo Pirates, what's it? Ngizoyeka imbombo. Wathi ngizoyeka imbombo. Kodwa ngizozani? Ngizodlala idisk. Uratabiala. Siyaratabiala nathi yabona. Kodwa lalela, the reason why aratabiala. Ngoba nathi ama-Pirates siyaratabiala uyabona. Siyaratabiala sine arena. The only team with the arena is Orlando Pirates.
I-team sayikaze yaba ne-arena. I-Sundowns ke yaba ne-arena.
Sengiyayivala. I say to you, ngithe mengene stadium ngathi lalela, the Pirates is winning everything. So this is called Operation Fat Ales. Uyathanda awuthande. Ngithe ngicela basibize kumakhufe. Sifuna ukubabonisa angisho they are stars of makhufe. We just want to play makhufe. No, we want to play for fun. Just for fun. We want to play makhufe and we just want to prove a point. Baba ngiyayifala njalo.